Okay, for this week's project, I have my sister Solange. Hey, girl. Hey, say hello to my YouTube audience. So I just arrived right after the couch delivery. And aren't these absolutely beautiful? Look at the texture on these. Absolutely beautiful. And it's a two-piece set, couch and love seat. And then I'll show you everything that I bought to complement. So this is how we're looking on the first floor right now. She went to get the screws for the dining room table, and everything else we will get together. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink while I get this room together, and I'm gonna meet you at the reveal.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. It's your girl Courtney here, and you know, like I know, I love decorating DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, and more. So if you enjoy that type of content, honey, you have reached the right channel.
Match the colorful aesthetic. Here we have beautiful set of velvet pillow covers. So let's get these on.
If you're saying to yourself, this place looks awfully familiar, then you're absolutely right. Solange is my baby sister's new neighbor, and when she saw my sister's place, she wanted me to decorate her place as well. So I've done my best to match her colorful aesthetic. Her bright, shiny, vivid personality is present in this room, in this beautiful rug that she had on hand, colorful painted tree branches, and I brought in the rest of the color with artwork and accessories. Now that the living room is almost complete, let's move on to the powder room. I purchased this small shelving system from Amazon, and I'll make sure to link it in my Amazon storefront. The artwork she already had on hand and the pieces I put on the shelves I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and a DIY chain link. And there we have it. A couple of pieces from the thrift store round out the powder room, and I think it came out gorgeous. Let me know what you think in those comments. And that brings us right to the reveal, so let's jump into it. Solange has such a vibrant, colorful personality, and she said that I matched her aesthetic perfectly. And if she's happy, you know that made me happy. I purchased this colorful, whimsical lamp at Goodwill, and it's absolutely beautiful. These gold frames I purchased at Bulldog Liquidators, a pack of 6 for $5. The set of 3 tables were originally silver, and I purchased them on Facebook Marketplace and spray painted them gold to match her room. All of my pillow covers, the matching throw, artwork, frames, and other accessories I purchased on Amazon, and I will have them linked in my description box below. A few other thrift finds round out this beautiful space. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gave you inspiration. And if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give your girl a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I enjoy decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, and more. So if you enjoyed that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.